So, for a couple of days, I was experiencing this issue. Whenever I create and run a VM in VirtualBox, I see this screen which sort of looks like BIOS or basic input and output settings. And pressing escape doesn't help. Even after resetting the VM and pressing a key when press any key to boot from CD screen comes up doesn't help. So, let's get started up. So, go on to the settings pane. Click on system. Now uncheck the option that says enable EFI for special OSs only. And there you have it. Now it works like a charm. Thanks for watching. Stay tick and I will catch you next time.